Hi everyone, this is Carolyn from Known as Nutty Crafts. And this time of year, everybody wants to know or make macaroons. All different sizes, all different colors with all whatever you want to make it out of. So I'm just going to tell you some of the ways that I've done it. You can go to Dollar Tree, you get 2 discs for $1.25. These were on clearance at Michael's. These are like kind of like the next size bigger. And then from there, I believe these are at Hobby Lobby, I think. Or it might be Michael's, I'm not sure. It's even bigger. So what you would do, you would take your discs. And the first thing, you can see how jaggedy edge mine is. Because it was like this. This actually has like a coating on this outside. A pain in the butt to try to go ahead and file. Or use sandpaper, but use a block. And the first thing you want to do is just round off your edges, okay? So you want to make it rounded. So that's where you get that nice rounded and not this really pointy edge, okay? Then, let me get that, I was going to say sawdust out of the way, but glitter, God, foam stuff. You're going to take your disc, place it down. I don't put any glue on this side, okay? I place it down here and I will just go along and I will fold it up. You can make it more of a circle, you know, your fabric. I'm just using this as an example for y'all. And you get it all puckered out. It will be nice. And you're going to have a disc that looks like that. You're going to do 2 of these. Not in this green color, but just as an example. When you get them both done, you're going to go ahead and glue them together. With them being glued with the fabric, it does create a little bit of an indentation here or a gap. 100% fine. Why? Because you're going to get some chunky yarn, white yarn, or if you want to do something else, most of the time I think these things are white, but some people do them in colors. And you're just going to go once around with the yarn. Easy. Then what I did, like particularly on this one, I took Mod Podge and I did some, you know, white or iridescent glitter, did that. And this is some fake baked candy I put in there to make it more like that. You could also do it if you want to make it a little bit more fancy, is do a little bit of lace. Now with the lace, I took each disc separately and I glued the lace around the bottom or the part that's not going to show when they get sandwiched together on each one. Then when I sandwiched them together, I pulled the lace apart because it wanted to stay closed like this. And I glued in the chunky yarn. And again, using the fake baked sprinkles, I put that on there. Now this one here, let me move that light out of the way because I know it's not going to work. I'm using a flashlight to show you because I don't have any more of these. You can see this is see-through. It's like a drum. All right. I used 2 of those green wreath, the styrofoam ones that you can get from Hobby Lobby. You may also find them at, I got mine from Dollar Tree, but you can find them at Hobby Lobby, and I think you can find them at Michael's too. These are the dark, well, I don't want to say dark green, but green foam wreaths. Do the same exact thing. Do each one, glue them together, and then you have your yarn, and you can put sprinkles. I put, again, a little bit of glitter on here. Now, this is really huge. This one is what, 10, this one's about 10.5 inches wide, really big. I don't know, you can put it in a wreath if you want to, or you could do something like this. Put this on top and you can decorate all around with all kinds of goodies and greenery and stuff, and you can make it a nice centerpiece. You can do the same with little ones. I'm using snowmen, I know, but you can do little ones and do the same thing like that, or here's a little bit bigger, and do that with them. Or put whatever you want on it. I'm just using these as an example. But that's my tips for you from Known as Nutty Crafts. And I hope you enjoyed them. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll see them. All right? Thanks. Bye-bye.